Alright, the M96 ran for an hour and a half here, and I am gonna have to go do some other stuff, so I'm glad that I was able to get it going again. This soft spring constantly needs adjustment, I guess, but it's still a superstar runner, and yeah, glad I got something going. The HM01, I spent that hour and a half trying to find an ignition unit to work with it, and I'm still having some issues with it, because every time I check a unit it seems to work, and then I get it installed and it quits working. So I'm gonna have to keep digging and see what I come up with.